Well, a lot of times they're looking to solve a problem, and we can fit that bill.
Well, we're a job shop, so we manufacture a lot of different components.
We are manufacturers of custom machined products.
All the machines are designed to accommodate configurations of different species of parts. So whatever the customer wants, we can produce it.
We've had customers that have called up and said, we need these parts really quick because the company that we had is unable to produce it for whatever reason, and can we help them out? I think the reason we're good is because we have a capability that other companies don't have. We have CNC screw machine, we have Brown & Sharpe single spindles, and we're also able to grind. We can centerless and cylindrically grind product.
One of the good things about working with Weber Manufacturing is we are a woman-owned business.
Here at Weber, we always say, if we can deliver quality on time, everybody wins.
Oh, and we want to work extra hard
to save you money.
We're not afraid to save you money. It's one of our goals, so.
I do work hard to save you money.
Hi, I'm Allison McGowan, and I want to welcome you to Weber Manufacturing.
Don't pay for ordinary. Weber is your cost-effective precision machining powerhouse. From the intricate to the immense, with CNC turning, grinding, milling, and thread rolling services. And our Swiss capabilities are truly extraordinary, dropping finished parts while working lights out to save you money. When you need tolerance in the tens of millions range, we can grind precision into your parts. All in-house, all in the family. That's Weber Precision Machining.
We have 3 departments in our shop. We have our CNC department, we have our Brown & Sharpe department, and then we have our grinding department. This is a poppet, and this poppet uses most of all the features that we have here at Weber Manufacturing. We have our Swiss machine it, then we have it heat treated outside. It comes back, we plate it, we grind the ODs, and then we grind the angles. It's with centerless grinding and cylindrical grinding to get all the dimensions correct and round. And we have to hold a 20 millionths roundness on the angle.
Over here we have all of our CNC Swiss machines. These are our machines that hold our high tolerances.
We're mid-volume.
Our volumes run from 100 to 100,000 pieces.
We do not do prototyping, but once you get to prototyping over with, we're the person you want to see.
The advantage of the Swiss machine is that it's more precise, and it can simultaneously do the front side of the part and the back side of the part in one cycle time. We can make the part complete on the machine 95% of the time. Even with long parts, as it's feeding out, the work is still close to where it's being held in the bushing, and it gives a very stable turning surface. Yeah, this is considered live tooling.
We not only do metals, which we do stainless, we do brass, we do aluminum.
12L14, 1141, 17.4 pH, you can run a multitude of different materials.
We also do plastics as well. We do Delrin and ABS.
This part is made out of ABS, another type of plastic that we're able to machine. This 2-inch bar feeder is connected to our Ganesh 52 millimeter Swiss machine. The advantage to the customer is that it runs continuously, saving them money by not having to load it. It takes 45 seconds to load a bar. We are able to run lights out. This part, many years ago, when we would do it on Brown & Sharpe, we'd have a milling operation for the square in the back and then another milling operation for the milling in the slot. But with CNC Swiss machines now, we're able to drop this part complete.
Customers love us. Well, I believe they love us because they know that we've been in the business for a really long time. We're not going anywhere.
We've been in business since 1963 in Venice, Florida.
We ship all over the country.
Our location doesn't really matter due to the ability to ship via UPS or FedEx or motor freight.
Right now we're in our Brown & Sharpe department, which is not a CNC machine technically. It's driven on cams and form tools.
We can go up to 1 inch and 5/8 on our Brown & Sharpe machines.
They can also do different things simultaneously.
They run at high rate of speed, and they're the workhorse of Weber Manufacturing.
Very fast. They're very fast machines, and you can't compete with the pricing and the speed of them.
The ability of the Brown & Sharpe is that the cycle time is usually shorter. This part will become a heat-treated part, and then this will be ground and this will be ground. again, utilizing our grinding capabilities that a lot of our competitors don't have.
We can make simple parts like a small pin all the way to complex parts that have a lot more intricacy to them.
Some of your parts will require centerless and cylindrical grinding. This part right here does the cylindrical grinding on the 2 diameters and the angle. And on the angle we can hold in the millionths in roundness. This is a Studer S20 and this is a Micro MG12. Grinding gives you a much better finish and a very accurate size. We can hold 2/10 all day long. A lot of shops do not have this in-house. They have to send out, adding to the cost of the part. Where we don't, we can do it in-house, save transportation and time. Okay, this is our oldest employee. He's been here 39 years. And today, AM is grinding some glass rods.
I think the best thing our customers like about us is our quality and also a relationship we build with them.
Quality is the most important things.
Quality is everything. Our whole business is based on quality products delivered on time at a fair price.
We're not only a woman-owned business, but we're also ISO, S5, and CMMC certified. And let's not forget our DoD customers, because we are ITAR.
Well, we're not just a machine shop, but we are a family. We have a lot of family members, and the rest of the employees we treat like family also.
I'm 3rd generation Weber Manufacturing. My grandfather started the business in 1963. He came from France and started in Philadelphia.
It's very proud to be a family business.
My dad is here, my brother and I, my mom is here, my uncle works with us.
The advantage to the customer is being a family-run unit, we're tight, and we want perfection. In a company that isn't family-run, you're going to have a lot of people competing.
Because we're small and we're family owned, we're all invested in the business.
We're going to work extra hard to save you money.
We have a great loyalty too with our employees. So anybody can have machines, but you have to have the good people running them because they don't set up themselves.
I think American made is everything. I think that we need to get back to having more items produced in the United States to become where we used to be strong. We're very proud that all of our product is made in the United States.
We're proud to be American and make everything here in-house.
So if you need CNC high precision machined parts, come to Weber Manufacturing.
We're going to work extra hard to save you money.